Ingozi ehlahlathisela umzimba le yenzeke endleleni R31. Kukhambe abantu abahlanu bebangeteksini, babili bebangebhesini beyiphekelela abadlali bepolo. Umndeni lo usafunana namalunga amane womndeni wawo. Ekubalwa hlangana nomntwana weminyaka esithandathu ubudala. Uthi awa mina ngibazi bona bakuphi. Baphume bathi baye esondweni kodwa khange babuye. Solo silindile bonyana baza kubuya kodwa kufikela nje akunamuntu otshoko bonyana bakuphi. Onomkhala bonyana bakuphi akasazise ngoba sithwele imkhono ehloko. Kulindeke bona kuqedwe ukuhlolwa kwendumbu kusasa.
We can confirm that the 7 bodies of the deceased are currently with us at the mortuary. Consultation has already been undertaken with the families just to brief them on the process plan. But key amongst those is that the post-mortem will be conducted because it's not a natural, it's a car accident.
Umnyango wezokuthutha sewuthumele imlayezo yokulilela imindeni ebhujelweko.
Let us first express our deepest sympathies and heartfelt condolences to the families that lost lives in the horrific accident that took place yesterday on the R31 on the road between Barkley-West and Delportshoop.
Amapholisa asaphenya icala lokubulala ungakahlosi, kanti umtshayeli we-Polo emhlophe nanje akakabi ukutholakala.